So I'm going to go ahead and show you really quick how to make a circle that has two tangent lines going to it from a place outside of the circle. So I'm going to just draw a circle with the size of my choice, and then I'm going to create a point outside of the circle. Just here, doesn't matter for this activity. And then to create a tangent line from this, two tangent lines from this point to the circle. Remember, tangent lines touch the circle exactly one time, and then it'll make a 90-degree angle with the radius that we draw to that point. And so we're going to go right here and click on tangent, and then we're just going to click on the point and our circle. And that right there just drew us our tangent lines. And so then what we're going to do to show that they make a 90-degree angle here and here is we're going to make an intersection point of the tangent and the circles. And another one for this tangent and the circle. Okay, so those are our 2 points where the tangent lines hit. It's only exactly 1 point for this one and 1 point for that one. And so now if I'm going to draw my radii, I'm going to make a segment from the center to that point, the center to that point, and then we're going to measure it. And we're going to go from the radius to the tangent, 90 degrees. It's kind of hard to see. Let's move oh, there we go, 90 degrees. And then we'll check over here as well, and we get 90 degrees as well.